Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video I will show you that how to make a smart splash screen like that. As you can see in the bottom, the images are animating. So let's get start the video without wasting any more time. So friends, for this I am going to add a new project here as splash screen. So this is my project. Okay, I am going to add a new activity here, that is dashboard. If you want to add this, then you can, otherwise you don't need to add this. So add here a linear vertical and make it at match parent width, and the padding is remove the padding at 0. After that you have to add the status bar and the toolbar also. Now add here another horizontal scroll and then again a horizontal scroll. Okay, you have to add this as 75 dp height and make it as match parent. After that the gravity is center, so center horizontal and center vertical, and set it weight as 1. After that you have to make this horizontal also gravity center, then orientation of this make as vertical. Okay, now add here images and after that text view. Now 4 image view added in the horizontal and the bottom. So after that scale type fit center on every one. After setting it, make this as 80 or 90 as you can want. I want to make it 80 dp height and weight. Then the text view size also be 16 dp. It will be your app name and it will be your APK icon. Okay, now set the images height as 10 dp and the weight also 10 dp. These 4 images are must be as 4 dp if as 10 dp height and weight. After adding this, make the margin as 3 dp. Okay, now you have to add images to there. So that for that I'm going to the image section and I have here the images in the my collection. I would like to add them from here. I will give you the images in the description as zip file. You can also download this from the description. I have to look at there that the 5 images must be as a name yellow, red, cyan, blue, green also. These are must be same. You cannot change their name. Okay, so after adding the images, you have to save them in the bottom images. Okay, anything as you can want you can save in there. After adding them you have to save their IDs. IDs for image view 2 as img1, image view 3 as img2, image view 4 as img3 and image view 5 as img4. And here you have to add the image app icon recently that you have added here, and the name of your app you have to save here. Okay, so I want to save it like that, Gliese Developer. And the creativity of the text must be center, so center vertical and center horizontal. After adding them, you have to go to the component section. In the component section you have to add 4 object animators as OV1, OV2, OV3 and OV4. I will give you them as text in the description. You can also copy them from description. So 4 object animators are added. Now you have to add the timer components here as a TA1, TA2, sorry it is wrong, TA2, TA3 and TA up to TA5 you have to add. You have to set timer components up to TA6 or from TA1. So I have added. Now you have to add another 2 timer components as img sense, that is image sense, img underscore sense. You can sense their IDs, otherwise your app will not be run. See, I am 1. Okay, then you have to add another 1 timer component, that is next. After that go to the on create activity and add a number block as number as random. And on the more block you have to add an more block as animation or whatever as you can want. Then add here of add source directly from operator and add the source code that is given in the description. After that in on create add the animation more block and then add a timer component. After the next timer component save here, and the 5 second or how much second you want to animate this display screen, save here, and then add another component that is intent as I or as you want. Then save the set screen, start activity, finish activity. You have to finish this activity to the dashboard activity and then save it as I. Now run this project and check it if it is work or not. As you can see, here is no any errors in the source code. After complete the scanning, I am going to open it. Now you can see in the bottom it is animating. After 5 seconds, as you can see, it is goes to the dashboard activity. Like that you can add it. So one another animation I have, these will also be available in the description. So I'm going to copy this one. We will also get this one from the description. Now I want to replace this, source code to the new one. Okay, and then I'm going to run it again. So one thing is here, you have to save this background as white. This is the professional color. Then run in a gate. As you can see, in this source code also have no any errors. If you follow my instruction, you will not get any errors. So after installation complete, I am going to escape this one. After installation, I am going to open it. Now you can see in the bottom it is animating in another one style that was not previously done. So friends, in this way you can make a smart splash screen in Sketchware. I hope guys you got some helps from this video. If you got any help, then please like this video and do subscribe to my channel to get daily notification. Thanks for watching. Stay happy, stay developing.